Hi, myself Janita Jairaj Taladas. This is my presentation on my research topic and evaluation of the critical role of artificial intelligence in customer relationship building within the Tesco PLC company. This is my declaration form. Background. The background of my research topic is, according to Weber and Suchet, retail industry is highly driven by human labor, transactions and data. Artificial intelligence is the area of data-driven technology application where human works can be automated by replacing with technological systems. This makes the retail domain a natural fit for AI applications. Currently, the field of AI is largely supported by practical and scientific developments in recent days. This is the screen clipping of the above mentioned data. Links also attached for the validation of data as well. Continuing the background, as per Cipolla, Sonila, and Uko, artificial intelligence is a key tool in sustainable business development through effective optimization and economic development. As critical decision support enhancements, AI tools have been effective in optimizing process operations, automations, and boosting economic development from businesses by advancement data-driven decision support mechanisms. According to Ping et al., AI-driven applications are critically useful by supporting the sustainable business developments. In the context of sustainable development goals, AI helps in creating decent work and economic growth, sustainable decision making with real-time data for industry, innovation and infrastructure, and effective partnerships for the goals with businesses. This is also screen clipping of the above mentioned data and links also attached for validations. Continuing the background, according to Battisti, Agarwal and Brem, retail ecosystems are well capable of transforming into complete data-driven meta-organizations with complete digital ecosystems. AI tools are the key to these ecosystems that would target customer relationship building and support decision support systems. According to Cheng Li and Florence 2021, there have been immense usability of AI in customer experience that have been identified in the age of e-retailing. Applications such as online customer experience creations and chatbots are some of the most notable use cases. Moreover, AI applications are observed to be enhancing the responsiveness for users and customers in the retail market, which is one of the most positive outcomes. This is also screen clipping of the above mentioned data and the links attached for validation as well. Aim, objective and research question. The aim of the research is to evaluate the critical role of artificial intelligence in customer relationship building within the Tesco PLC company. The key objectives of the study are: firstly, to identify the applications and roles of AI in customer relationship domain of Tesco. Secondly, to evaluate the existing trends in customer relationship building of Tesco considering technological advancements through AI. Thirdly, to investigate of the role of AI applications in customer relationship building in Tesco. Fourthly, to determine strategic future plans of Tesco in considering AI for customer relationship building. The main research question is, how critical is AI in building customer relationship in Tesco PLC company? Literature review and validation of data. The first theme of focus in the literature review on this research context has been current trends of AI in the retail sector. According to Sharma et al. 2023, the consumer decision-making process in the retail sector is critically getting affected by the emergence of various digital technologies. Decision makers have been observed to be relying on such technologies delivering superior value to the entire supply chain of the retail businesses. There has been a major influence of mobile and internet technology developments across the retail market in the current scenario. There has also been much influence of emerging digital technologies like AI on consumer decisions as denoted. These are the screen clippings of the data used and the links also attached for validating the data as well. Second theme. The second theme has been the scope of applications of AI in the retail industry. As per Strategic Direction 2021, AI applications would be helpful as improvements in the retail sector to gain significant competitive advantage. The tools through analytical, predictive, and prescriptive applications are helpful in creating value for organizations that are going to be helpful in the long run for companies. According to Low Airtel 2023, there are multiple AI tools that are crucial in the ongoing developments for retail services. This is the screen clipping of the second theme and the links attached for the validation of data. Third theme, challenges and criticism on AI retail applications. The third theme of literature contest has been an overview of the key challenges and criticism on AI retail applications. Deventi et al. 2021 in their work have been summarized the key areas of challenges that AI applications are required to face for implementation in the retail sector. These challenges include ethical, legal, political, social, economic, technological, data-oriented, and organizational challenges. It is crucial to note that AI-enabled applications require major transformations in business operations and entire business models. This is a screen clipping of the third theme and link attached for its validation. Methodology. A research onion representation of the overall methodology followed for the researcher is shown in this slide. The research onion is useful for the researchers to evaluate the different stages of the research process. It starts from research philosophy, which helps to shape the overall approach regarding the research study context. Similarly, the next layer point out the approach of the research, that is inductive and deductive. Research strategy is case study and experiment, etc. Time horizon, cross-sectional and longitudinal. And lastly, the process of collecting data and its analysis. The next slide showcases the chosen research path according to this research onion. This is the chosen research path and this slide elaborates it. Research philosophy and approach. The main philosophy of the research followed is in a positivist philosophy. Measurable observations regarding research variables and their interrelations are necessary to be evaluated by the researcher. This makes an objective ontology of positivism much more suitable for the research methodology for this empirical study. Moreover, a deductive approach is also followed to deduce key hypotheses of research and test them against the data analysis. Research method and design, quantitative method, online archive research. The research is following a quantitative research model for the measurable observations being made on the key interrelationships. Moreover, the data are collected through online search of secondary archives. As such, the numerical data and statistical analysis is performed to the collected data from secondary sources related to the research topic. Data collection and analysis. The key data of focus are quantitative data regarding the customer insights for Tesco. Data are collected for over a period of about 10 years for the company focused on AI implementation. The key focuses the key sources of this data has been online archives like Statsta, company reports, scholarly papers, news reports, and so on. Over this data, various quantitative models are applied to extract key insights and patterns. Project plan. A detailed plan log for the entire project work is shown in this project plan. Hypothesis. As per the aim of the research, the main concern of the research is to analyze the impact of AI implementation on the customer relationships of Tesco. Therefore, the main focus of the data collection and analysis have been to analyze the key consumer and market parameters regarding their variations on implementations of AI integrated procedures. This includes market sales trends, revenue growth rates, and customer satisfaction. Therefore, the key hypotheses are focusing on the variation of these three parameters with respect to the implementation of AI. Findings. The main findings of this research are: Tesco is the largest retail firm in the UK with a market size that outpaces its competitors. It has been founded by Jack Cohen in 1990. The company has grown into a diverse retailer offering products and services across the groceries, books, electronics, clothing, and telecoms, among others. Within 4,100 stores across the UK and Republic of Ireland, Tesco maintains a strong market presence, consistently holding 26% of the market share. The company's success is also driven by its adoption of a technology-driven innovation model, which allows it to stay ahead in competitive and rapidly changing retail landscape. Continuing the findings. In this slide, an analysis of the data on annual revenue of Tesco over the time span of 2013 to 2023 is conducted. Considering the implementation of AI in 2017, the differences in data before 2017 and after 2018 and after 2017 is conducted. The mean revenue till 2017 has been 43,763.6 million GBP, and after that 2017 has been 53,212.5 million GBP. Considering a one-sample t-test between these two groups of data, the t-stat of negative 4.05 seems to be significant with a p-value less than 0.05. This implies that the null hypothesis against H1 can be rejected. The trends in the revenue from 2013 to 17 shows a declining trend, whereas that from 2018 to 2023 shows an inclining trend. This is the data used for the analysis. In the slide, an analysis of the data on year-on-year percentage growth of monthly sales of Tesco over the time span of 2015 to 2023 is conducted. The mean growth rate till 2017 has been 0.022 or 0.22%, and after 2017 has been 0.0426 or 4.26%. Considering an one sample t-test between these two groups of data, the t-stat of 4.8 seems to be significant with a p-value less than 0.05. This implies that the null hypothesis against H2 can be rejected. This is the data used. In this slide, an analysis of the data on customer satisfaction in terms of Net Promoter Score of or NPS reported by Tesco annual reports over the time span of 2013 to 2023 is conducted. The mean revenue till 2017 has been 6.2 and that after 2017 has been 15.17. Considering an one sample t-test between these two groups of data, the t-stat of negative 8.77 seemed to be significant with a p-value less than 0.05. This implies that the null hypothesis against H3 can be rejected. Moreover, the trends in the revenue from 2013 to 2017 and from 2018 to 2023 both show inclining trends. However, the respective trendline equation shows a considerable increase in the rate growth in the later trends. Finally, an analysis of the data of brand value in billion GBP is analyzed since 2018. In contrast to previous results, this is showing a negative trend as a steady declining trend is observed with the average brand value of 7.425 billion GBP. This is the data used for the analysis. Finally, the null hypothesis against H1 is rejected statistically, which suggests that there is statistical evidence to imply that there is a significant positive change in sales since AI implementation. Further, the null hypothesis against H2 is rejected statistically, which suggests that there is statistical evidence to imply that there is a significant positive change in sales growth since AI implementation. Finally, the null hypothesis against H3 is rejected statistically, which suggests that there is statistical evidence to imply that there is a significant positive change in customer satisfaction since AI implementation. However, there is a negative trend observed in the pattern of brand value for Tesco since 2018. Recommendation: Tesco needs to work more positively on its AI strategies. Therefore, as they seem to be working much significantly in creating a strong presence in the customer base, the changes on sales growth and customer satisfaction trends are strong evidence for this. However, the company must also work on how to improve its overall brand value in the market. Limitations and future scope. The consumer base is the main focus of the study, but the analysis is mostly based on reported secondary data. An expanded study on primary from the consumer base of Tesco regarding their opinion would reveal a wide range of insights. Moreover, a greater view of the other firms and the industry in future work would also be beneficial. Conclusion: Therefore, the strategy of implementing AI for customer relationship building has been much successful for the company. The company needs to work much strongly on the AI strategies. Therefore, however, brand value is a matter of concern required to be focused upon as well. These are the reference lists which is being used for this study. Secondary Research Declaration Certification. This is the screenshot for the approval of the secondary declaration form. Thank you for listening and giving me the opportunity to introduce my research topic.